Hi, it's Eunice Theory is Simple, and today's video is all about Amazon Prime and the great pre-Black Friday deals that are coming up. So let's get started. Well, if any of you see me in an airport, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. I have my special jacket and my special luggage and things that I take with me on almost every trip. This jacket is special because it is a nice windproof and rainproof jacket, but it has a lot of pockets. And for those of you who know me, I need pockets to put things in. If you're wearing a crossbody bag or you need extra place to put passports, maybe even a wallet, earpods, things like that. I love having pockets on all of my things. So this has 2 zip pockets on the side here, as well as a couple of nice deep pockets right here. And then it also has, let me show you, a nice pocket back here to put some things and some reflective material. It has some stretch and some give to it, so that way it has some movement. You want to be able to move really well when you're getting on a plane and things like that. So this is a great jacket for that. One of my favorite things about this jacket is the sleeves come off. So if I don't want to wear it with the sleeves, I have the ability to take that off and wear it as a vest and then put it back on and wear it as a jacket. So it's a 2-in-1, stretchy, lots of pockets. It comes, I think, only in black, but a great jacket to have. And if you buy a size up, you can put something heavier underneath, like even a light puffer if you feel like you need something heavier during the winter months. But a great year-round travel jacket that, again, has the sleeves that zip off and lots of pockets. This next item is a favorite that comes with me not only on my travel adventures, but every day, and it's an insulated water bottle. I love this one because it has a handle. It also has a little cover to protect the mouthpiece, and it doesn't leak. So if I tip it over, nothing comes out. There's a little button here that you push in order to drink, but you can also lock that up so nothing accidentally pushes it. So this is a wonderful water bottle. It's also pretty slim, so it fits in almost any backpack, sleeve to hold a water bottle, and it keeps things hot or cold for a long time. This is a travel favorite, and again, something that I use every single day. When I'm traveling carry-on only, a lot of times I'll be traveling with something similar to this, and this backpack is one of my favorites. It has a trolley sleeve here, which is very important so that I can set it on top of the luggage and it doesn't go anywhere. It also has nice, substantial shoulder pads here to wear, as well as a chest strap. So once you start putting things in this, if it starts to get heavy, this chest strap's going to help keep it on and secure for you. It also has a hidden pocket here, and the best feature about this backpack is it has this bag right here, which you can see is attached, but you can also detach it and turn this into a crossbody bag by simply removing the clips, taking it off the Velcro, and then it comes with a little strap so that you can wear this as a crossbody bag on your travel adventures. And it has some pockets in here and a nice big pocket back here. Makes a nice little crossbody bag when you're on your travel adventures. Plus, if you're wearing it at the airport and they're telling you, hey, you can't bring that on board, it's going to count as your personal item, all you have to do then is hook it back up to your backpack and you're ready to go. So another great item that's perfect for gift giving for yourself or anyone else. This next item is a piece of luggage, and what I love about this is that it doesn't have any zippers. You can see here that there's no zippers on this piece of luggage. Some of you may have watched my safety and security video, and if you haven't, I will link it up here, where I show you that I can break into any zipper suitcase in about 10 seconds. Even if it's locked. So this is an aluminum frame. It's going to be very, very difficult for someone to get in here and pop this open to get your luggage open. So it makes me feel a lot more secure. Plus, when I'm in my room, if I feel like I want to lock something up, for example, the last trip I was on, I was at an Airbnb, no safe. And then the trip before that, I was at a hotel, there was no safe. I felt a little bit better about putting things in here and locking it up. And so they were out of sight, out of mind. And yes, could someone take my whole luggage, roller luggage? Yes, they could. But if they don't see it, they're probably not going to know something is in here necessarily. But it has a nice polycarbonate shell here. It has the 360 spinner wheels and a really nice trolley handle that's going to allow me to wheel this around really easily. It also has a little battery thing back here, so if you wanted to slip a battery in here to be able to charge from here, that's another option for this little part right here. The inside's pretty standard except for this. It has this organization pouch, which has a couple of zipper pouches here and here, and this completely unclips out of here so that if you want to lay it somewhere else, you can. Acts as like a packing cube, but also keeps everything in here really nicely. So this is a great piece of luggage. Also, it's at a great price point and it's not that heavy. These next things are electronics that I travel with all the time, and I rely on them to keep me charged up on the go. And the first one is this wonderful 10,000 milliamp battery. It magnetically attaches to my phone as well as has a stand. So if I want to watch something or videotape something, this stand works great. And built into the stand is this little thing to charge my iWatch. So great on some long trips, my iWatch will actually kind of go dead, and because it's 16-hour flight or something, this charges it. It'll also charge my AirPods by putting them right on here. It also has USB-A and USB-C ports, so that I can plug in something like this and charge other things like, mics, cameras, even my iPad. It has a power indicator here showing me how much power is left on the battery. Great to go on the go. If I'm on the go and I still want to take pictures, this one works great because it'll still hook on and allow me to take pictures and use it as a phone. So a wonderful battery to take along with me. I use this every day. It's my favorite everyday carry battery just because it'll charge everything I have with me easily. The next thing I have is this cord, which is a 4-foot braided cord. And what I love about this cord is the end here is USB-A or USB-C. So that way, if I'm plugging it into a battery or even into a wall, this will allow me to have a couple different ways to get power. Let's say I want to recharge this, I can do that. But it also has 3 heads here, USB-C, it has a lightning and micro USB heads right here to charge 3 things at once. And for someone like me who's charging mics and lights and all kinds of things, this works great. And this is part of my everyday carry. These things come with me all the time and allow me to be charged on the go right here. The next thing I have is this, which is what I take when I want to be charging by my bedside. It's nice and compact, and it folds open like this so that I can charge my phone magnetically here. I can charge my iWatch here, and on the back here I can put my AirPods and be able to have everything charging while I'm sleeping. And again, a nice compact format. This goes with me on my travel adventures. This next item is basically an extension cord. It has a nice cord here that hooks into its own little hook, and it unfolds to about 4 or 5 feet. And it also has special plugs here. So when I'm international, I want to plug international things. About anything will plug into these. And then it has 4 USB-A ports, so I can take several of these cords and go ahead and plug in multiple things. It just allows me to have, let's say you have a plug that's over here and you need to charge. Obviously, an extension cord is something great to have. And this one will work internationally. A great gift for you or someone you love. This next item is a must-have for me, and that is a dual voltage blow dryer like this. I love this because look how small it is, and it folds up even smaller. So it comes just like this, and it comes in a carrying bag because it has a couple of accessories. This, my friends, works great. You get some of these blow dryers, and they're like, shh. This is a great, I think it's 1875 watts. It blows really, really well, and it handles my hair, which is thick and straight It really does work well. It comes with some attachments. So it comes with a diffuser if you have curly hair, and it also comes with a directional, so if you're doing some styling, and it also comes with its own adapter, so you're ready to go by just putting everything in this bag, and you can use it US or international. This now is a must-have for me to take on all my travel adventures because the last 2 places I stayed did not have a blow dryer, so I ended up buying this, and this will come with me all the time. This next item is a steamer, and for those of you who travel and you need to have those clothes looking crisp and great, this is a dual voltage steamer. It's nice and compact. It has a folding handle. It also comes with a mitt that I actually don't use because I don't know, I guess I don't put my hands right behind my stuff. I just kind of steam it. I think if you're really careful, you don't need to have the mitt, but it has a nice water reservoir here. This has been a great steamer, folks. It just takes the wrinkles out of anything I put to it. Another great item to give to someone who likes to travel and look nice and neat. If you're like me, when I travel, I like to listen to a movie or a podcast or music, and these are a must-have for me. You can see it's marked really nicely right and left, so it's easy to put on, and literally blocks out everything. See, I can't even hear you. I can't hear anything you're saying because this is blocking it all out. It has really, really comfortable earpieces here, so whether my hair's down or up, I don't feel a lot of pressure against my ears. I like how this folds flat so I can slip it down into my backpack easily, and it Bluetooths to my computer, my phone, or my iPad, and it has pretty good long life. It's a great thing because I used to carry the Bose one, and they were really, really expensive, and these are an amazing deal. It's something that if you like to have everything blocked out when you're flying or working, these work great. Now, for those of you who don't really care if everything's blocked out, this is another great option, and these are actually over-the-ear pods that fit not in your ear but kind of against your ear, and it comes in its own case for charging, so that once you put them back in, the case charges and you can plug that in and charge this anytime you want. But I think the most impressive thing for me about these I guess pods or whatever they want to call them, earphones, is that they go right over my ear. So they're going to fit right over my ear and Bluetooth in, and they're so comfortable. I had these on the other day working out, and it was great because I could still hear people if they came up to talk to me or something, but it gave me a great amount of sound to listen to a podcast. Also, when you're walking, I don't like to walk with something in my ears where I can't hear my surroundings. These work great. I could still hear cars and people, around me, but still hear what I wanted to listen to. And I like that they're over my ears, so if I'm working out or something, they're not going to fall off and fall onto the floor. You can use them on the plane, but with the jet noise, I found that the jet noise kind of overpowers it and it doesn't work as well. So maybe not as much for flight, but if you're in a car or you're out walking, these are a great set to take with you, and they magnetically attach inside this case. A wonderful set, great stocking stuffer for someone. This next item is a safety and security item that I take with me on all my travel adventures, and it is a metal door blocker or door lock. I love this because it has a size for commercial like a hotel and a size for residential like Airbnb, and it's metal, so I know it's really sturdy. I used that recently on an Airbnb where someone tried to get in to the door. I wasn't in any danger. At the time, I didn't know it. I thought I was in danger, but turned out to be a repairman knocking on trying to get into the wrong door, but he couldn't get in because this was blocking him. So that gave me a really good peace of mind that he couldn't get into that. And another thing is this little piece right here, which this blocks a door, but if you have a window or a sliding glass door in your Airbnb or hotel, you might want to bring something like this that has a special little key where you screw this down onto the actual ledge, and then it screws in tight, and then it can't just slide your door or window open. Also great if you have kids and you just want to have the window open a little, but you want to make sure they can't get out or fall out. Another great thing to have for your safety or your child's safety. So a couple of great stocking stuffers to help keep your loved ones safe when they're traveling. All right, I hope you got some great ideas for gifts for yourself or someone you love for their travel adventures. I will leave links for everything in the video description so you can pick up something for you or someone you love. Until the next time, remember to juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple. Try to get yourself or someone you love something great for their travel adventure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And like 10, what is that? Oh, it's my hair. I thought it was a bug on me. Able to, of course that would do that. Let me get all the pieces here together first. A little switch here. Where is it? I have my glasses. Or, what do you call those things? What do you call, spaces where the door lock, not the lock, what is that? Let's start over here.